Hey guys!
Hey.
Today I was thinking we could read There Is a Bird on Your Head
Yay!
by Bo Willems. Alright, here you go, Caitlin.
I'm gonna hold the book so everybody can see.
Alright. There is a bird on your head. See, there it is right there. By Bo Willems. Is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Is there a bird on my head now? No. Uh-oh. Now there are two birds on your head. One, two. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love.
Aww.
The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Tweet, 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 tweet. Lovebirds? Aww. How do you know they're lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Bing, 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 bing. I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Oh, well then I have good news. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Tweet, tweet. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Oh. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds. And a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Oh, well, where do you want them? Somewhere else! Well, why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them! Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? Yeah, no problem. It worked! Bye! Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. The end. But you guys know that there's always someone who sneaks in at the end of these books. And not only did they sneak in, but they have. Is that a hot dog?
Aw, Pigeon.
Oh, a pigeon has a hot dog.
That sure was a silly book. Thanks, Khaled.
Oh, no problem. Thanks for holding the book.